Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name is Muhammad Nurdin from Before Electricity System Polytechnic Malang States. I will explain about a water power plant. Wait. LTA definition. Hydropower is a power plant with water as the working medium. In general, hydropower is an energy conversion machine consisting of a dam, reservoir, penstock, turbine, drive tube, powerhouse, and electricity terminal. In hydropower system, the turbine is the main equipment beside the generator. The working system is to utilize the flow of water from the river, which is then accommodated in a dam, which is then flown into series of pipes, so that the potential energy of the water can be converted into kinetic energy, so that it is eventually converted back into mechanical energy to drive or rotate a turbine. This causes a generator that is axis of rotation with the turbine can rotate. Then the process occurs is electromagnetic induction, which produce electrical energy. Next is general schema PLTA. The power capacity produced by hydropower plant worldwide is around 675 megawatt, equivalent to 3.6 billion barrel of oil, or equal to 15% of the world's electricity needs used by more than 1 billion people. The basic components of hydropower dam, turbine generator, and transmission. Hydropower converts the energy caused by falling water to produce electrical energy. In this, the turbine converts the motion of falling water into mechanical power. Then the generator converts the mechanical power from the turbine into electrical power. There are various types of hydropower, ranging from the micro hydro, from with the abilities to supply only a few homes, to giant farms such as the Karankates Dam, which provides electricity for millions of people, capable of supplying electrical to 8,000 people. Then component PLTA. Inside a hydropower plant, you can see a reservoir, dam, generator, transformer, powerhouse, power line, intake, control gate, penstock, turbine, and outflow. Next, what a reservoir. Reservoir is a place where millions of cubic meters of water will be converted into mechanical energy. Dam serves to raise the water level of the river to create a high fall of water. In addition, to storing water. Dams are also built with the aim of storing energy. Next, what intake? Intake or entry is a facility used to take water from the reservoir into water channel. Intake consists of strain and gate. Gate control. Gate control atau or control gate is a regulator entry of water into the penstock that goes to the turbine. Control gate can be opened and closed according to operating time or if there is a problem with turbine or components. Penstock. Penstock or pens is a water channel that enters the turbine with a certain angle of inclination. Penstock from horseshoes or pedestal. Powerhouse. The powerhouse consists of turbine, generator, and transformer. Turbine. What a turbine? Turbine. The falling force of the water pushing the turbine blades cause the turbine to rotate. Water turbine are mostly like windmills by replacing the function of wind thrust to turn the blade replaced by water to turn the turbine. Furthermore, the turbine converts the kinetic energy caused by falling force of the water into mechanical energy. Next, generator. Generator is a device that converts mechanical energy from the rotation turbine into electrical energy. The generator is connected to the turbine drop rotation gears so that when the turbine blades rotate, the generator also rotates. The generator then converts the mechanical energy from the turbine into electrical energy. Generator is hydropower work just like other power generator. Next, transformer and power line. Transformer is a device for increasing the voltage so that it reaches the desired value for the transmission voltage. The transformer consists of a core of the layer arrangement which has two isolations, namely from the low voltage side and the high voltage side. Power lines or power transmission line function to distribute the electricity that has been generated. Next, outflow. Outflow serves to reduce water capacity in case of overload. Next, control room. Control room is a room that is the center of supervision of all components of the hydropower plant. Can be operated in this here. Advantage of use hydropower plant. Quick response of power plant in adjusting to load requirements suitable for use as peak power plant for peak load condition or when there is a disturbance in the network. PLTA output power capacity is relatively large Hydropower plants generally have a long life of 50 until 100 years. The dam that is used can usually be used at the same time for other activity, such as irrigation or as water receipts and tourism. Last, carbon emission free, which of course is valuable contributing on to the environment. And efficiency, one is in the environment, namely disturbing the balance of river or lake ecosystem to do the construction of dam. Two, most expensive investment cost. Three, dam construction take a long time. Four, requires a large area. And last, in addition, sometimes damage to them can cause a large risk of accident and loss. Source, I create this uh, hydropower plant. Uh, can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 source? Thank you for the listen and your appreciate my video. See you the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.